Have you ever wondered what happens when a tech product review goes wildly off script? In 2016, during the live unboxing of a highly anticipated smartphone, popular tech reviewer Dave Lee experienced a roller coaster of emotions that captivated thousands of viewers. The event started smoothly, with Dave's usual charm and detailed commentary. However, the suspense skyrocketed when he discovered a critical flaw. The phone's battery was bloated, a dangerous defect indicating it could explode at any moment. As Dave's usual calm demeanor gave way to visible concern, viewers were on the edge of their seats. They watched in real time as Dave's unboxing turned into an urgent safety advisory, warning his audience about the potential hazard. This unexpected twist not only highlighted the importance of thorough product testing but also cemented Dave's reputation as a trustworthy reviewer who prioritizes viewer safety over sensationalism.